Put a comment in Excel formula. Sometimes we put a comment in the formula for on usage, that what is the reason behind this formula and why we are creating the formula, or any type of other comments we can put in the formula. Here we have one calculated column here where we are actually calculating the total sale in other currency. Here it is in the USD and we are calculating in AED, and exchange rate is here. So we just add the comment here, and operator, and in the bracket, then inverted comma, whatever you want to add the comment. I will say here exchange rate of 1st January, and then just drag it. So here you can see everything is same, only comments are appearing in the formula. So it will not display. Even if you want to display, you can do it. How? Just remove the n. So you can see comments are now appearing, but with n, and actually hide the comments.